Hi ladies, I'm going to show you how to pull up your diagnostic test results from iReady for the fall and winter benchmarks so that I can kind of look at the data for this A+ application that Dustin wants us to do. Have fun. So when you go to iReady, you're going to go to Reports and then Diagnostic Results for Reading. It's going to show you the most recent diagnostic that we took in the winter and your overall class performance. You go to PDF, and then it will open a PDF of that report in a new tab. And then you can download it and change the name, and then email it to me so that I have all of your class information. Then if you go back, and you go to Diagnostic Window 1, it will show you the fall reading diagnostic. You do the same thing again where you click PDF. Then it will bring up the PDF for the fall reading diagnostic test, and then you can download it again and save it and email it to me. Awesome, thanks, bye.